Have you ever wanted to create content for LinkedIn but just didn't have the time to write the copy or design the slides? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create highly professional and engaging LinkedIn posts and publish them directly, all with just a few clicks using AI. So, if you want to save hours of time and level up your LinkedIn presence, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the desired channel so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. Let's dive in. Alright, this is the Dynel.ai homepage, an incredibly smart and practical platform that acts as your AI assistant for LinkedIn. The interface is clean and well optimized, allowing you to easily find different tools and start creating content without any hassle. Now, let's go through the registration and workflow step by step. To start, we click on the Sign Up option. Here, you can register using your Google account or your personal email. I'm going to log in with my Google account. After logging in with our Gmail, we proceed to this stage. Here, we click on Connect LinkedIn. Once we click that, we enter this section where we need to log into our LinkedIn account. I will log into my LinkedIn account now. After logging in, my account will be displayed right here. We just need to toggle the checkmark for the desired account and click Choose Channel. The platform's AI will now start analyzing our LinkedIn account and essentially extract our LinkedIn account's DNA. Once this process is complete, it grants us 100 credits so we can test it out and see if it's truly worth it or not. This trending section helps you keep a pulse on LinkedIn. By analyzing these popular, real-world posts, you'll see which topics are currently viral, allowing you to create and publish smarter content. To begin, we click on the Add Source option. In this section, we can upload our own files, whether they are PDF, Word, PNG, or an image, or we can provide a website link. You can also enter your text directly or add a previously used reference here. For a start, I want to use the Add Website option and provide a link. After clicking on it, I'll go to my own channel, as I want to grab the link to one of my videos here. I'll copy the link to one of my videos and head back to the Dynal.ai website. I will paste my video link in this section and click Confirm. Here, we write our request in a simple format. Create a post for me with checking this link. We can choose our output language. There are many languages available, and I will select English. In this section, you can also select your post type. You have various options available that you can choose based on your LinkedIn page's style. I'll just leave it on the automatic option. Finally, I click on Generate, and the system starts analyzing my video. By reviewing my video, it breaks it down into different segments and extracts the most important parts for us. The first thing it delivers to us is the post caption. If you don't like any part of the caption, you can modify it, delete it, or make it longer or shorter. The text looked good to me, but down here, you can use options to lengthen or shorten the text. Also, by clicking More Options, you can change its language or select its tone, whether you want it to be warm, cold, professional, or business-oriented, and it will automatically update the caption text. Here, it gives us 3 options, indicating whether it should create a single image, design 5 carousel slides, or generate text only. I will select the second option, which is creating 5 slides. The platform's agent starts generating the images. This process takes about 2 to 3 minutes, so let's wait together for it to build our post images. Our images have been created. It did a very beautiful and professional job. If you don't like an image or it's not to your taste, you just need to click on Edit to open the image editor. Here, you can try adjusting a specific part or change the entire image by describing it. I want to make 2 changes, so I'll write my request like this: add bold text, new AI for your music, and change the background color to red and orange. Now, I click on Generate and wait for it to apply my edits. It edited my image beautifully and very quickly. It added the text and changed the background color. After reviewing the final generated image, if you like it, you just need to click on the Replace option, and this image will replace the previous one. It swapped our image, which was absolutely excellent. Down here, a few options are provided that we can choose from to modify our post. I'll select the third option, which is Adjust Colors/Style. It starts changing the style and colors of our post, so let's wait together for this process to finish. Our posts are ready, and they look great. This time, I really like the color and style, and it promotes my video beautifully. Finally, we click on the Publish option, and this drop-down menu opens up, allowing you to make final edits here. I will paste my video link right here. You have two options. You can either schedule your post to be published later, or you can publish it right now. I will click on the Publish Now option. Here, I'll select my account link which we connected to this platform at the beginning of the video and click Publish Now. Our post has been successfully published. From here, we can view it on our LinkedIn. I'll click on this, and we are redirected to the LinkedIn website. As you can see, my post is live, and we published our post here so easily with just a few clicks. On the left, by clicking Trending, you can see successful and high-performing LinkedIn posts. These aren't AI generated, they are real posts you can use as inspiration or repurpose for your own content. Another section of this platform is Brand DNA, where you can fill out all the settings to match your LinkedIn account and add or remove anything if needed. By completing all these settings accurately, you can make the AI understand exactly what your expectations are. In the Plans section, you can schedule which days and at what hours your posts should be published and what topics they should cover. Finally, you can see the paid plans here. For $40 a month, you can publish around 30 posts, meaning one post every day. This easily saves you time on research and gathering your articles. As you saw, Dynal.ai can completely transform your LinkedIn content creation process and elevate your work's quality. Thank you so much for staying with the Desire channel until the very end. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified as soon as our next videos drop. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, goodbye.